everyone, it's Missy, and I had a video request on how the Keurig sounds or looks when it's dispensing. So this is just a video to follow up with that request. So I have my Keurig ready, it's on, and I'm just going to first dispense just plain hot water so you can see what that is. So it preheated, it says lift to begin, so I lift. There's no K-cup in there or anything like that. I just flip the lid back down. It says dispense hot water, and I'm going to go continue. And then it says for 8 ounce, I'm just going to do a 6 ounce cup, and then I am going to press the button. Okay, so it dispensed the cup of hot water. It says it's ready, so I'm just gonna take that out. So it dispensed in a hot stream like it was supposed to. So now I'm gonna try some hot chocolate. Okay, so my unit is preheated again. This time I'm gonna lift the lid and I'm gonna stick my hot cocoa. I'm going to try to do this with one hand without poking myself. So I stuck it in there, close the lid, and then I'm going to do an 8 ounce cup, and then mine says hot cocoa other, so I'm just going to select that checkbox. There you go, now you can see it. I'm going to do an 8 ounce cup, and I'm going to dispense. And now it's finished dispensing the hot cocoa. So when I do tea or coffee, that's about the same thing that it does for me. But I hope this helps. I'm not exactly sure what you're looking for, but if it's not dispensing in a steady stream, the only thing I could think of is that the unit, there's something blocking it, or there's air in the hose, or something along those lines, because I think that's what the person was having issues with. If that's the case, you can open up the unit and clean it out. I'm just going to turn mine off and I'll show you. I'm going to unplug the unit, and I'm going to get this cup of hot cocoa out of the way. And I'm going to open this up, and I have a cup in here too I need to take out. There we go. Okay. So where it says, or where this is, this unit is probably going to be a little bit hot, but you can actually remove this whole cartridge, and you can put it, you can wash it out and so forth. And then I just run vinegar water through mine, or just even vinegar if it's really bad. After I get that cartridge cleaned out, it comes apart in 3 parts. I put it back together, run vinegar through the system to kind of flush everything out. If that doesn't work, I would think that yes, then you would have some kind of issue, but hopefully that would solve your problem, and hopefully this video was helpful. If you have further questions, please let me know.